Some of you may have seen these green clouds as the storm was approaching on Saturday, and we've mentioned it a few times, but just going to share with you one more time that the color is not an impending tornado as some ideas are out there. Really, it's just the light from the sun shining through the clouds, colors being refracted, colors being absorbed, and we get this beautiful green color with the ice and the hail that were in the clouds as it came into Central Oregon, which explains why it cleaned up as it made its way through, and we got back to sunny skies actually fairly quickly after that supercell passed over the region. If you didn't get to be right in it like I was, it was pretty amazing. I actually posted a video of the hail as it was literally downpouring, probably small gumball size hail at my house on Saturday. It was fantastic. I put it on Twitter and I think on Facebook as well for those of you that maybe didn't get to see some of that activity on Saturday because it was magnificent. Here's a look at the satellite and radar image. You can see we're looking fairly clear. The storms that we had are continuing to move to the east and we're seeing pretty clear skies. Our skies will continue to be mostly clear tonight and pretty sunny for the next couple of days with warmer temperatures yet again. For our winds today and into the evening, we're looking about 15 miles per hour sustained with gusts potentially up to 20. They are coming to us out of the northwest. Tomorrow we could see similar winds. They're just going to continue to shift as the next ridge of high pressure moves in, and we'll see a little bit more wind from the south. Temperatures today were above average by several degrees so far, those mid 70s here in Central Oregon, low 70s in the valley, and then high 50s to low 60s along the coast. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. You can see we're still at that 75 degrees, but we've cooled off just a little bit in Bend. We do stay warm overnight tonight. We're actually above average again by a few degrees as we're watching a new ridge of high pressure move into the Pacific Northwest. For tonight, we're looking at temperatures in the low 40s for Redmond and Prineville, mid 40s in Bend, and then those mid to high 30s in Sun River and La Pine. Mostly clear skies overhead tonight with those warmer temperatures, and then tomorrow we continue this warm up that goes with us through a couple of days this week. We could make it into the 80s in Redmond as well as Prineville tomorrow. Warm Springs and La Pine are all looking at those high 70s to low 80s. Higher 70s for Sun River and Bend, mid 70s in Sister with mostly clear skies. So here's the ridge of high pressure that I was just mentioning. We cooled off a little bit. Here's that trough of low pressure. This is on its way off to the east, and we begin to see this next ridge building in. This is what gives us a little bit of a chance for those clear skies and warmer temperatures. Our future track tonight is way less interesting than if you were with me on Friday. Look at these nice clear skies. Over the next few days, you're just going to see some clouds moving in and out, light breezes here and there, and not really seeing much of a chance of rain until we get later into the week. A few clouds on Tuesday night, Wednesday morning along the Cascades, and we stay clear on this future track right now all the way until Wednesday at 4. Really not seeing much activity. We stay in the high 70s for a couple days into Friday, above average overnight as well. Then as we get a little bit closer to the weekend, we cool down. We see a 40% chance on Saturday and on Sunday for some rain with some potential thunderstorms again on Sunday.